What's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how we can make your terminal look just a little bit prettier. So let's get started. I'm on Ubuntu 20.04. This is the current LTS version. So let's jump right in. First I'm going to install ZSH and Git. We will be switching from bash to ZSH. So let's install sudo apt install ZSH and Git, enter the password, hit yes. Okay, next we are going to fire up a browser and let's search My ZSH. Go to myz.sh, click on install. Make sure you have a wget. I think on Ubuntu you get wget by default. So I'm gonna copy the script, paste it here, hit enter. You can see it's cloning my ZSH. Time to change your default shell to ZSH. Do you want to change your default shell to ZSH? I'm gonna hit Y, enter the password. Now that change to be effected, you have to restart your PC. So I'm just going to reboot. Okay, we are back. I'm going to open up a terminal window. As you can see, the prompt is slightly different from the previous one we had, the bash one. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and go to documentation. Go to themes. Let me zoom in for you. We have a bunch of themes available. I believe this is the most popular one, so I'm gonna select this one right here. Next, go back to the terminal, hit I have GNOME text editor, so I'm gonna use that, GNOME text editor, and I'm going to edit ZSH RC. Okay, I have made some changes to the editor so you can see things clearly. Next, what you have to do is go to ZSH Themes and change the value to the one you copied. Next, hit save. Let's open up another terminal window. Okay, the prompt has changed, but the font is not quite what we want. Again, go back to the terminal, then Google Powerline font. You'll find a GitHub page. Go to that, and if you read the instructions there, you have the command on Ubuntu to install Powerline. I'm gonna paste that in and install Powerline fonts. Okay, let's try opening up another terminal window. Okay, now we have the correct theme. Cool. Alright, before I end the video, I have to at least mention plugins. These are the plugins available with my ZSH. You can go through each one of these and see what they're doing. And if you want to add a new plugin, all you have to do is to go back to the ZSHRC file and search for plugins like so. And why is it not finding? Okay, there we go. We have Git plugin installed by default, but if you need another, for example Ant plugin, all you have to do is add the name there. And there are plugins outside my ZSH for ZSH. For example, ZSH auto suggestions is going to when you type something, it's going to suggest the similar command you have used previously based on your history, ZSH history. It will show the suggestion there. You can hit Ctrl E, for example, to autocomplete that entire thing if that's what you want to use. So that's pretty handy if you ask me. There are multiple many more plugins available for you if you want to use them. I just have to mention them at least in this video, so that's why. I think this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.